So what exactly the process is? So let's get into it again, that we have this particular green plant which is full of chlorophyll. It will going to absorb water from the soil through the roots, and on the other hand, carbon dioxide is basically the gas which we are getting from the atmosphere, sunlight from the sun, and as a result of the process, once the whole thing is done, we are getting sugar as the main product and oxygen as the byproduct, means it is the secondary product, it is not the prime product. So what exactly are the things we require for the process? We require 4 things: sunlight, which we'll get from sun, water and minerals, which we'll get from the soil. And how the plant will going to get it? By the process of absorption. The plant will going to absorb water from the soil. This is what we have done in the irrigation as well. Anyways, carbon dioxide, as we have discussed, it is a part of the atmosphere, so from there we will get it. Chlorophyll, that is present inside the leaf only. Now what are the products that we have? We have 2 products, that is, one is glucose, and of course if it is you can say everything is being collected inside the leaf, then of course the final product will also be collected inside the leaf only. On the other hand, when we talk about the oxygen, just like carbon dioxide, it is the main space, or you can say the main location where carbon dioxide belong is atmosphere. Similarly, oxygen is also the gas which belongs to atmosphere, so it will be released there. So that is how the process of photosynthesis is. Plants can do this thing with the help of this particular pigment called chlorophyll. Now we have discussed this thing that leaf has chlorophyll, and we have discussed this thing that everything will be you can say everything will be coming up to the leaves, and on the other hand the glucose will also be available only on the leaf, only inside the leaf. That means that the green leaves are basically the food factory or the kitchen of plant, just like our kitchen. That is the place where all the sources or resources, our body has a specific feature of storing the glucose, and similar process is there in case of plants as well. That what it will going to do is, it will going to make extra glucose which will not be going to be used by the plant body instantly. So what it will going to do is, it will going to store that glucose in a specific form that is known as starch. Now this starch will going to provide the energy to us. How? Because this particular starch gets stored in different parts of the plant, like in case of mango, in case of cauliflower. Now what exactly these things are? We know this thing that mango is a fruit. Now do you know this thing that cauliflower, what we call as vegetable, is actually a flower of the plant. On the other hand, in case of carrots, we have they are known as roots. Potatoes, they are basically the underground stem, means they are a type of stem. On the other hand, like cabbage, they are basically type of leaves. And when we talk about the other type, that is seed, that is pomegranate. So it is basically the different parts of the plant in which the starch gets stored in it. So what exactly these things are, that I have shown to you. Mango, carrot, pomegranate, cabbage, cauliflower, potato, they all are basically stored form of glucose, and once we eat them, it get inside our body and it will be stored there so that we can use it whenever we require it.